Okay, the Philippines bikepacking journey is underway. I'm cruising out of Cebu City. That's going to be the first mission for today, to escape the hustle and bustle of Cebu City. And I'm heading up towards Balamban. This is going to be a 3-island bikepacking trip. First, Cebu, just for a brief visit, the place where I used to live. Then I head over to Negros, and the last island is going to be Panay. So I'm going to bring you along for the ride and show you what it's like to bike across the Philippines. So it doesn't take long to get out of Cebu City, but as soon as you do, you're on a very steep incline and you're basically heading to a place called Tops Cebu, which is the lookout at more or less the top of Cebu, where you can have dinner and look out over the city. So I'm absolutely melting. You can see how much I'm sweating. So hot, even in the shade. And I've got about 25 kilometers to go before I reach my destination for tonight, which is Evo Nature Camp, a camping site up at the top of Cebu. So I'll go through all my gear later, but I'm basically carrying 2 bags on either side of the bike, and I've got a little bit of camera gear in my backpack, so pretty light, and I've just thrown the tent on there as well. So I had to bring enough to be able to do some multi-day trekking in Negros and Panay. So there's only so little you can bring, but I've got 2 t-shirts, 2 shorts and 2 pairs of socks. So one of the first little bikepacking hacks from my trip so far is that you can refill your water from a little vending machine for about 2 pesos to fill the whole bottle. So I guess I'll be doing that at all of these little general stores across Cebu and the other islands. So as you can see behind me, I've made it to the turnoff for Tops, which is the top of Cebu. We're going to keep heading on down to Balamban. Maybe a bit of downhill now because it's been grueling uphill. The Cebu Trans Central Highway is no joke. I've decided to jump off and walk this section. I'm just roasting in the sun and blowing up. These hills are too steep for me and my luggage. So with a heart rate of 180, I'm gonna walk for a few hundred meters and recover. So I just had a lunch break here at Buyer's Cafe and had a bit of a treat. They had a beautiful swimming pool and an amazing view of the hills I've just climbed, and topped that off with a bacon silog for lunch from the all-day breakfast. So yeah, can recommend this Buyer's Cafe up on the way to Balamban. 3 p.m. and as you can see, we've made it to the Balamban region. I think I've got about 3 kilometers left to my campsite for tonight. Alright, after 33 steep kilometers on the bike, I've made it to my home for the night, which is Evo Nature Camp. I've got a campsite here for 300 pesos. I've got some pretty beautiful views, as you can see. It's a fair complex here. There's quite a lot of infrastructure, so it's not the most peaceful campsite, but what does come with that is some facilities that are pretty handy for people who stink after riding and sweating all day like me. So I'm going to take a shower and then utilize the restaurant and probably have a beer up there, watch the sunset over these hills.